Hey traders, it's Jeffrey from Ninjacators. Today I'm going to show you a couple of great NinjaTrader 8 tools to help you instantly see trending price action, break in structure, and change in character so you can stay in profitable trades longer or take profit and exit well before bigger moves go against you. So, just to quickly review price action, in its purest form, it's going to be following higher highs and higher lows in uptrends and lower highs and lower lows in downtrends. Let me go ahead and show you. So for example, in this nice downtrend over here, okay, we see lower high and a lower low, lower high and a lower low, lower high and a lower low. As long as we continue to see these lower highs and lower lows, we know that we're in a downtrend. When we start to get a reversal and we break the last lower high, we're moving into a change or break in structure and change in character, and from a downtrend into an uptrend. Now the flip side of that is, obviously in an uptrend, we're moving from higher highs and higher lows. Another higher high, another high high, and then another higher low. As we continue to watch price go up, as soon as we see a break in this structure of higher highs and higher lows, we see the beginning of the turnaround into a downtrend, okay? Now, I've always showed you how to mark these higher highs and higher lows, usually using the path tool, or you can always also use the line or the arrow tool in NinjaTrader. But there are two great indicators that will mark these for you automatically, and those are the zigzag filter and the zigzag indicator and the swing indicator. Let's go ahead and take a look. So here you can see the NASDAQ from a few days ago, and if we glance at the early morning price action, I could certainly draw a high to a lower high, a lower low, and then a switch over higher and low. Much easier if we go ahead and pull our indicator window over and show you these two indicators. They are native NinjaTrader 8 indicators. The zigzag indicator I use at a deviation value of 0.5, and make sure you select use high and low, make it visible, and right away you can see the lines are drawn for you. And I'll show you in a second how easy it is to follow your trends and see breakouts. The other useful indicator is going to be the swing. You can use one or both of these, and with a strength of, let's say, 3, if we go ahead and put that on the chart, it gives you another clear idea of when we're breaking out. So for example, in this nice accumulation zone that's easy to spot if you're looking at just the price action, but with both of these indicators on the chart, it jumps right out at you. You can see the minute we have a breakout to the long side, we have the potential for this moving through and going long. So let's go ahead and take a look, and sure enough, as price moves up, we're continuing to go long. Let's go ahead and center that on the chart. And as we see, we break out right over here, and we continue to move forward. That indicator is going to keep plotting the higher highs and the higher lows, showing us that we can stay in the trade and keep at it, okay? As long as we are continuing to make higher highs and higher lows. For me, I'll be using the last lower low in an uptrend as a stop, and I would move from here to here, and then up to here, and then keep going. This happens to be a great example of a nice long uptrend from a few days ago. And as soon as we break the last lower low, we can either get out right here or wait for the next one back, okay? You can choose the strength and decide which one works best for you. In this case, as you can see, we pulled back, we moved right into another accumulation zone, and in fact, we did break it. As soon as we broke through that last lower low, we were back into a downtrend. So we rode this trend all the way up, virtually to the very top, and got out with barely sacrificing more than a few ticks in our great trade. So that's it, traders. With these two easy to use tools, you can instantly see price action on any chart Wait for the best opportunities to enter, to exit, or to stay in your profitable trades. Good trading, and I'll see you in the next one.